Okay, so I'm going to show you how to put in an ear wick. Essentially, ear wicks are used for acute otitis externa when the canal is extremely irritated and inflamed, and they come in packages like this. I oftentimes will put one in the emergency department, drop a little bit of medicine on it and send them home with it, and then I give them a couple to take home and show their significant other or themselves how to put it in so that they can do this themselves when they're at home should it fall out. I'm going to take the ear wick that I took out of the package, and I'm going to look at the patient's affected ear, and then I don't have to worry about it going too far in because there's not really much space for it to go. I'm just going to insert the ear wick gently into the ear, and sometimes it falls out, but you can just slowly push it in there gently. And I know that feels kind of funny, but in a minute I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Once the ear wick has been placed in the canal, we're going to drop our medicine. Just going to reposition it, my friend. And it might kind of just sit there for a second. You can have them turn their head if it doesn't work. And could you just tilt your head a little bit to the left side? Great. I'm just going to advance it. Feels kind of itchy, huh?
No, not bad at all.
And I'm just going to add some of the medicine directly over the wick. And I've left the wick purposely out for right now. I'm sorry, I know that's dripping down your neck. It wasn't part of the agreement. But I just left the wick outside of the ear here so that you can actually see it expanding in the ear canal. And when it expands like this, that's what holds the medicine in place in the canal so that the patient gets better faster.